Hello everyone.
मैं एकदम से ले आई क्या?
हाँ, मुझे भी ऐसे लगा।
क्या हुआ प्रविष्ट? मैं तुमको दोबारा से भेज के दोबारा एंट्री मारें क्या?
नहीं, ठीक है। मैं आपकी एनर्जी बड़ी अच्छी लगी मुझको, तो मैं मतलब I'll try to match up with it धीरे-धीरे।
हो देखो, यहाँ तो पूरा दिन हो गया है खत्म, ठीक है? ये एनर्जी तो लो एनर्जी है, बिलीव मी।
अच्छा, दिस इज
अब
लो।
तुम सोच लो सुबह मिलते तो हाँ।
अच्छा, मैं इसी टाइम में मिला, वरना मुझे और बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत लगती है उस एनर्जी को मैच अप करने की।
You guessed it. But Pravish, I'm having a little bit of a lag आपकी voice और आपके lip movement में. तो do you want to step out and log in again very quickly?
I'll try that.
Thank you. हाँ तो भाई पहली बार मिलके लोगों पर ऐसा इम्पैक्ट होता है मेरा। एक बार वो दोबारा से जाते हैं सांस लेके फिर वापस आते हैं। I hope he's not listening to this one. Hi A2, how are you? My God, I love your name, man. And Sunita says hello. Hi Sunita. Now that things are opening, I hope your business is going to take off very, very quickly, and you're going to do a great service to everybody. I can't wait to get to know more about your work. And हाँ बिल्कुल अश्विनी मैं लाई थी, देखो कोई फायदा नहीं मेरे सामने आके लोग ज्यादा देर तक थोड़ा मुश्किल तो होती है ना। धीरे चलना, धीरे क्यों भाई? हम कभी धीरे चले क्या? All right, मुन्ना प्रसाद जी आपका एंड ऑफ कोर्स अश्विनी आपका मैं दोनों के मैसेजेस दिखाऊंगी। अब वापस आने दो लड़के को, चला गया। कहाँ है लड़का? चलो तब तक मैं बता देती हूँ कि यहाँ पर जो शो चल रहा है, जैसा कि कुछ देर पहले मैं बता रही थी, हुड़ दबंग। जी हाँ बिल्कुल, वो मैं हूँ। मेरे लिए गाना नहीं बना था, लेकिन सलमान खान के लिए बना था। That's all right, not a problem. Hi Jyoti, nice to see you, and our handsome boy is back. Hello.
Is the lag still there?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है तुम एनर्जी का इंजेक्शन लेकर आए हो। सच बताओ क्या क्या बात आए हो?
कुछ नहीं, मैं बस सोच कर आया हूँ कि अब मुझे पता चला कि आपकी एनर्जी क्या है, तो I'll try to match with it थोड़ा सा रेडी होकर।
मैं लो कर लूं क्या एनर्जी? नहीं ना?
नहीं।
All right. So आते ही यहाँ पर आपके लिए मैसेजेस आने लग गए हैं। Of course, people are writing big fan of Barrister बाबू, और साथ ही साथ में यहाँ पर है नमस्कार प्रविष्ट एंड रेणुका की एनर्जी डेली ऐसी रहती है। ओके, मेरी शिकायतें लग रही हैं तो। And your biggest fan is here, by the way. Sanvi.
Thank you, Siddharth Singh. Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you, Sanvi.
Sanvi कौन है प्रविष्ट?
I'm lucky to have people like Sanvi in my life जो पसंद करते हैं।
तुम ऐसे ही जवाब दोगे? मतलब मुझे बड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी अब तुम आज बातें निकलवाने के लिए।
कोर्स खाली आपकी एनर्जी मेहनत में खाली पूरी एनर्जी ना निकल जाए, ऐसे ही थोड़े मेहनत।
I like that answer. Okay, so पहली बार let me welcome you formally, Pravish Mishra ji. Welcome to Radio Masti 24/7 and Colors TV Asia Pacific. हम बहुत बड़े फैन हैं आपके। यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपको बहुत बहुत पसंद करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले आप आके उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Thank you to give me this opportunity to like come on this platform. क्योंकि हम तो सिर्फ टीवी पर रहते हैं, हमें वहाँ मौका मिलता है। We audition for that, we work hard for that, and this is just a byproduct. And I'm very happy to be a part of this. I'm very happy. I'm very grateful कि मुझे ये मौका मिला अलग देश में लोगों से जुड़ने का। खैर इंडियंस भी इसे देख ही रहे हैं, तो उन्हें भी नमस्ते, आपको भी नमस्ते। और I'd just like to, I feel very good and I thank you all for this opportunity.
How nice. ये पहले से सोचा था या अभी बनाया है? सच्ची बताओ।
सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, मुझे सवाल आप अगर लिख के भेज दी होती ना तो मैं बना भी लेता कुछ। आपने वो किया नहीं, तो मैं अभी जो अब बन जाए, जो मन में आए वही।
देखो यहाँ पर सब तुम्हें बैरिस्टर बाबू के नाम से जानते हैं। सब वो बात भूल गए जो कि आपने ऑफ कोर्स 2013 में जब डेब्यू किया था महाभारत में, है ना? और फिर उसके बाद 2015 as the young Ram in Siya Ke Ram, then there was Yudhishthir, of course in 2015, then there was 2018 जिसमें आप थे कैमियो में in a web series, then there was 2019. सब भूल के सब आपको बैरिस्टर बाबू बुलाते हैं, ऐसा क्यों?
Thank you to do the homework very strong. मैं देख रहा हूँ आपको पूरा टाइमलाइन आपको पता है. You've done that very well. And लोग जानते हैं, but this is the thing कि जो सबसे recent होता है लोग उसी से ज्यादा जानते हैं. And Barrister Babu has given me a bigger platform. And I would खैर जो reach था बाकी shows का, उसमें मेरे character का reach Barrister Babu से ज्यादा हुआ है. So I'd like to thank Colors for that.
ओहो क्या बात है. कलर्स तो मतलब फ्लैट. हाँ, आपने नेक्स्ट बहुत सारे साल ऑलरेडी बुक कर लिए उनके साथ में. ये बताओ दोबारा से कब शुरू हो रहा है? कोई खबर दे रहे हो कि नहीं?
तो बहुत जल्द शुरू होने के चांसेस हैं, क्योंकि काफी कुछ गवर्नमेंट ने खोल दिए, काफी सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज, काफी सारे चीजें, और शूटिंग स्टार्ट होने की परमिशन मिल गई है. नाउ द कलर द चैनल, द प्रोडक्शन हाउस, एवरीवन ट्राइंग. कुछ चीजें हैं, प्रिकॉशंस जो लेकर रेडी रखने पड़ेंगे बिफोर वी स्टार्ट शूटिंग. तो सेट पे वो सारे प्रिकॉशंस शुरू किए जा रहे हैं. वो सारे सैनिटेशन वर्क और वो सब जब एक बार शुरू हो जाएगा तो बहुत जल्द वील स्टार्ट शूटिंग.
क्या बात है. तो चलो, आई एम श्योर यू वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. लेकिन पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि इतने दिन जब हम सब मतलब पक रहे हैं सर्किट ब्रेकर में, क्वारंटीन में, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग में, क्या क्या किया? ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव बीन चेकिंग योर इंस्टाग्राम, लेकिन किया क्या बताओ सबको.
तो कुछ पुरानी हॉबीज थे जो छूट गए थे, या जो मैं खुद को बहाने देता था कि यार देयर इज नो टाइम, लेट मी ट्राई सम टाइम लेटर, कैच अप विद इट सम टाइम लेटर. तो अब वो टाइम, अब तो ऐसा था कि भाई देयर इज टाइम एंड टाइम, देयर इज नथिंग बट टाइम. तो मतलब एक्सक्यूजेस देने का समय नहीं मिला, कोई बहाने देने का वो नहीं मिला. तो आई try to catch up with a few hobbies of mine. I write poetry, so I tried writing a few poems, and then I used to play the flute. So मैंने flute फिर से I got it.
I checked that video out. पहले तो निधि कह रही है that you are super cute and your Yudhishthir role you did very strong. सही बात है क्या?
I don't know.
कौन से पार्ट के लिए you don't know? Cute या Yudhishthir वाले रोल के लिए?
Flute का I feel I did it pretty well. Yudhishthir का I don't know.
No, not the flute. She's saying you are cute.
Actually, cute. Oh.
And you hear
That's
that? There are lots of people who say super cute and cute to you, right? Isn't it?
Like enough to make me happy. I won't say many.
But don't you think after a certain point, Pravish, you want to be known as handsome and a lot other adjectives rather than cute, right? ये cute वाला tag पसंद है क्या?
How you just strike it, मतलब एक ignite कर दिया आपने मेरे मन में कि अब मुझको cute से हटके handsome पर पहुंचना पड़ेगा. हाँ. But हमेशा इंसान अच्छा रहो, ये मेरी चाहत रहेगी. हाँ. Cute but a good human, handsome but a good human.
वाह. क्योंकि I'll tell you what. क्यूट के लिए तो मेरे पास कुछ और है आपके लिए, और मैं कुछ ही देर में मतलब लेकर आने वाली हूँ वो आपके लिए. आई डोंट नो वेयर इट्स वैनिश्ड, बट आई एम गोइंग टू बी ब्रिंगिंग दैट थिंग जिसमें कि मैं आपको क्यूट बुलाऊंगी फॉर श्योर. लेट मी सी वेयर इट इज एक्चुअली. व्हाई इज इट नॉट कमिंग अप? गिव मी जस्ट वन सेकंड एंड लेट मी गेट इट आउट. गलत जगह पे धोखा दे जाती हैं चीजें. अब ये बताओ, क्यूट तो ये है भाई.
मैं नहीं हूँ, जो मेरी छोटी बहन है. ये पता नहीं. Yeah, this is not me. This is my younger sister.
I was told this is you. ये तो मैं मार दूंगी जान से जिसने मेरे को ये गलत दी है फोटो.
This is my younger sister. Although she is cuter than me, तो हाँ ये cute है.
सुनो, मैं मानती हूँ ये बात, क्योंकि मैं प्रूफ कर सकती हूँ कि ये all over the information it says it's you. ये तो मुकर रहे हो मुझे लग रहा.
ना मैं ना झूठ नहीं बोलता, मैं सच बोल चुका.
ओके, आई बिलीव यू. अच्छा चलो, जब तक यहाँ पर देखो, राहुल ने बिल्कुल तुम्हारी बात सुन ली एंड ही सेज यू आर हैंडसम एंड क्यूट एंड and Nidhi also decided to change her statement and said you are handsomely cute. ठीक है?
क्यों निधि? एंड मैं इस बात पर गौर करूंगा आपने जो कहा है कि क्यूट और हैंडसम का फर्क.
है ना? अब बताओ, अब इस टाइम पे जब तुम इतने जवान, हैंडसम, गुड लुकिंग और सक्सेसफुल एक्टर बन चुके हो और बनते चले जा रहे हो, फॉर देयर लॉट्स मोर टू गो, लड़कियां अगर आती हैं, व्हाट इज दैट?
मेंशन की और आगे भी हो, मतलब दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग।
हाँ, अभी तो बिगिनिंग है, लेकिन इस स्टेज पे गर्लफ्रेंड बहुत सारी बन जाती है ना। अब सब क्यूट बोलेंगी तो फिर तो भाई कैटेगरी में आ जाओगे यार।
गर्लफ्रेंड बहुत सारी कैसे बन सकती हैं? एक समय में तो एक ही बन सकती है।
पर तुमने एक भी कहीं पर डिक्लेयर नहीं करी हुई, बन तो सकती हैं, बट डिक्लेयर क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? डोंट टेल मी कि अभी तक तुम्हारी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है। आई विल नॉट बिलीव दैट।
नहीं, of course I'm committed to become a better person and a better actor. So that is my commitment.
रुको, मुझे आंसू आ रहे हैं। रुको, मैं तालियां बजाना चाहती हूँ इसी बात पे, बिकॉज ये मेरे ना आंसू छूट जाते हैं ऐसी बातों पे, जब कोई मेरे को इतनी ओपनली बुद्धू बनाने की कोशिश करता है। ठहरो जरा, तुम तालियां भी नहीं बज रही, बज गई। देखो, ये मेरी तरफ से नहीं है, ये भगवान की तरफ से तालियां है। जब भी कोई ऐसे महान सवाल के जवाब देता है ना, तो तालियां अपने आप बजती हैं। अब ये सब
मेरे पास है नहीं ऐसा कोई बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक, वरना मैं ही बजाता। मतलब ऐसे सवाल पूछने के लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए और इसका जवाब सिर्फ तालियों में दे देना चाहिए।
देखते हैं कौन सी तालियां का साउंड क्या किस तरफ लेके जाता है, राइट? अच्छा बताओ, आज के दिन में अगर देखा जाए तो मुझे देखने दो कि तुम पैदा कब हुए थे। तुम हुए थे मार्च में पैदा, मुझे पता है, 3 मार्च 1994।
ये भी गलत है,
ये भी गलत है
जी। So, on the 5th of September 98.
पर तुमने कभी सू नहीं किया ये विकिपीडिया और ये सारे लोगों को? तुमने इंटरनेट पे किसी को सू नहीं किया अब तक? यू कैन मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी बाय सूइंग एवरीबॉडी बिकॉज़ दे आर रिपोर्टिंग रॉन्ग।
Yeah, like after this, please help me out with that. I mean, some lockdown में काफी शूट बन रहा है।
अच्छा चलो, मैं मान लेती हूँ तुम मार्च में नहीं। उन्होंने कहा पाइसेस है, ये है, वो है, मैंने तो पूरा ज़ोडिएक बना लिया तुम्हारा। एनीवे, तो ये बताओ, यू वर बोर्न इन इलाहाबाद, ये सही है कि ये भी गलत है?
मुंबई।
मतलब हमारी तो सारी रिसर्च ही आज खराब हो गई। ये बोला कि इलाहाबाद में पैदा हुए, उसके बाद तुम रविश मिश्रा ही हो ना, बैरिस्टर बाबू वाले। But you know, I'm going to show you all that on the internet in different reports. But anyway, forget that.
It must be on the internet. I don't know. Like, I think like by talking to you, by talking to people like you, it will get corrected with time. So.
अब देखो, इन्होंने हमारी अभी तक की कॉन्वर्सेशन मिस करी थी, and he's saying, "Why are you so cute?" they are your fans.
Thank you. And just tune into this. Like, just go back to the interview and play it from thoda sa before, and you'll get what we're talking about. But thank you.
And then come back with a revised comment, है ना? Okay, so चलो वो सब भूल जाते हैं। No, Allahabad, nothing, born in Mumbai, brought up in Mumbai, and उसके बाद में क्या हुआ? ये अचानक से बचपन से एक्टिंग का शौक, because your parents are not from the industry, are they?
No, they're not. So I used to act in the school. You have some information is right. No, you're like the thing which you said, जो मैंने शुरू किया, I started with Mahabharat, then Suryapotika, and all of that is also right.
Okay, चलो कुछ तो
काफी कुछ हुआ। So I used to act in the school. We had many inter-school competitions, and I'm very grateful to be in that school in which I was. The name is Jamnavan Nursery School. So we had many inter-school competitions.
ये भी था मेरे पास, सही। हाँ,
ये भी सही।
हाँ।
So we had many inter-school competitions, inter-house competitions, and curricular co-curricular activities को बहुत importance दिया गया था school life में मेरी. So that's where I developed the interest of acting, and then things followed.
Okay, perfect. इतना short and sweet answer नहीं, develop that. हमने भी बचपन में बड़े सारे चीजें develop करी थी, सब थोड़े बन जाता है। मेहनत तो करी होगी, I'm sure.
हाँ, हर कोई करता है मेहनत, but you just need to work hard in the right direction, I feel.
Oh, अच्छा, इतना अच्छा वाला सोच के जवाब. So, Pravish, I just want to tell you that all the messages that we are showing on the screen, there are lots of people who are writing for you. and of course saying कि तुम Instagram पे active नहीं हो आजकल, क्या बात है? I saw that you are, but not too much.
I'm not really active. The thing is, I feel like I'm a Virgo, so I feel that Virgons के साथ ये होता है. They want, if they're doing something, they want to do it in a particular way. So I feel like if I'm posting a picture, it should be a particular picture. It should match something. So yeah, so it's not happening. I'm not getting good pictures, or I'm just not feeling the way I should be. So I'm just being a little low key on that part, on the social media part.
Oh, अच्छा, photos.
As of now, I will get active with time now. Like
Okay,
Rachna,
he's promising he will be active. नहीं होगा तो मुझे बताना, ठीक है?
Promise, Rachna.
All right, he said ये नहीं छोड़ेगी, सच सच बोलना. And of course, Neha says we love you, Pravish. कुछ
Neha.
Oh my God, that's too sweet. Why are you not seeing your fans post or story? पहले तो तुम्हारी क्लास तुम्हारे fans ही लगा रहे हैं, मुझे लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं, बताओ.
Mostly I see all of them. If I miss, I'm sorry. I will surely see them.
देखो, अब तुमको cute नहीं बोलेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे? You're straight away saying sorry, yeah. This is so sweet.
And I feel bad if I make something for someone and they don't see it, if they don't appreciate it, I would feel bad. I would feel
which is true.
Sorry to do that.
That is true. So people are missing you a lot. They are actually missing you. They are saying that you are okay, so cute, but we love your and Aura's chemistry. In fact, yes. What is this chemistry, man? It is just amazing. Tell us more about it.
So the thing is, Bondita, like Aura, the girl who's playing Bondita, she is super cute. And she is amazingly smart as well. Like she's way too mature and smart for her age. और उसको पता है, मतलब she knows human behavior. Like I took a lot of time to understand human behavior. She knows it at this tender age. तो उसे पता है कि कब किसे कितना प्यार से बात करना है, कितना क्यूटली बात करना है, कब गुस्सा हो जाना है. उसे गुस्सा ही बहुत आता है. So she knows all of that. And talking to a mature person is always fun.
Yeah.
It always enlightens you from like on every aspect. So talking to Aura, just being around her is also fun. And she, like I told you, she's smart, she's mature. तो मजेदार है और क्यूट तो बहुत है. तो मतलब उसे परेशान करने में भी उतना ही मजा आता है, उसको उसके साथ प्यार से बात करने में उतना ही मजा आता है, उसको चिढ़ाने में बहुत मजा आता है. So
how old she's 8, right? She's just 8 years old.
She like it was her birthday last month, so I think she must have turned 9 or something like that.
Oh my God! So tell me, Pravish, जब आपके पास ये वाला character आया था, and of course you got to know so much about this whole series, the story, the character, and that you have to be actually with an 8-year-old. What was your first reaction? ये बताओ.
So for me, like the story, more than being with a 8-year-old girl, is being for a 8-year-old girl. So more than Anirudh being with Bondita, it's Anirudh being for Bondita.
Okay. So, wow.
So that's the thing of the story. So show में Anirudh is for Bondita and against all odds of the society. जो जितनी सारी discrimination है, like various kinds of discrimination, economical, जाति के आधार पर जो बहुत उस समय पर बहुत ज़्यादा हुई थी, लिंग, gender discrimination, उन सारी चीजों के खिलाफ है. And Bondita as a character also, she is a very smart character and very inquisitive character.
Okay.
तो उसके inquisitiveness, उसकी curiosity को मिटाने वाला एक ही इंसान है अनिरुद्ध.
But it's a very meaningful show, है ना? मतलब ऐसा नहीं लगता उस show में, although on one side it is dealing with issues from ages ago, but at the same time it's a very future oriented and a very progressive kind of a show, right?
So I wouldn't like to mention, like it may be a bit dark to say that, but quite a few things are still there in the society. Quite a few things which we mention in the show.
Right.
I won't say at the same, like with the same intensity, but at a varied intensity is still there in the society. So we should address that, and to address it, by addressing it, it will make us progress. It will make humanity progress as a.
वाओ, बहुत डीप वाली. रुको एक बार और तालियां. हाँ, एक बार और, इस बार सच. Next time
ये तालियां makers के लिए, it's their vision, it's how they perceive and how they want the show to reach people.
बहुत दूर जाओगे। थोड़ी देर पहले कलर्स टीवी को इतना चढ़ाया था तुमने, और अब इस टाइम पर
सिर्फ शुक्रिया कहा था, चढ़ाएंगे तो वो मुझे आगे जाके।
I like that. Okay, कुछ तो वो भी करेंगे, right? Okay, so यहाँ पर रचना really wants to hear अपना नाम, मेरे मुंह से नहीं, तुम्हारे नाम से, मुंह से।
रचना अहिरे, thanks a lot. Thanks for all the love and please keep giving the love. It means a lot.
यार थोड़ी फीलिंग से बोलो यार नाम, ये कोई तरीका थोड़े हुआ, फीलिंग्स लाओ थोड़ी।
मतलब this was the very original thing. अब feeling ला दूंगा, मतलब if you tell me to do it, वो acting लगेगा, so I don't think that be useful. But still, Rachna Ahire, I would like to see it again. Thanks a lot for all the love and please continue with the love. It means a lot.
Okay. So tell me something, Pravish. अगर मैं तुमको ये बोलूं कि एक डायलॉग उस तरह से बोलो जो तुम्हारा पहला रोल था, which was महाभारत का, and एक ऐसे बोलो जो अभी वाला रोल है, तो how do you think things have changed from then to now? Dialogues, delivery.
In Mahabharat, the character. अच्छा, तो मैं एक खुलासा कर देता हूँ. In Mahabharat, I played 2 roles.
2 रोल थे, एक था यार, ऐसे मत सब चीज गलत प्रूव कर दो मेरी आज।
नहीं, so एक जो सबको पता है और एक जो बहुत कम लोग को पता है, या शायद almost none. So I played a small role in the first episode of Mahabharat that was playing young Kripacharya. जब भीष्म पितामह का when he becomes the king. I don't remember the exact what is ceremony को क्या कहते हैं. I can't.
No one talks about that. Yeah, no one talks about that role.
In the first episode, Bhishma Pitama becomes the king of Hastinapur. Before Dhritarashtra and before Pandu, Bhishma Pitama. So it's about that time when Ganga the Put, मतलब वो पूरी कहानी है कि गंगा के बेटे भीष्म, उनकी वाइफ और वो सारा है. So when Bhishma became the king, that time कृपाचार्य जो उनके कुल गुरु थे, कौरव और पांडवों के कुल गुरु थे भीष्म पितामह, that I played the younger part of Kripacharya. That was just one small bit in the first episode, and then of course I played Uttar in the latter half towards the end of Mahabharata. So I talk about Uttar because Uttar was the character like जो लोगों को पता है, जो लोगों को याद है. So as a character, Uttar being different from Anirudh is, Uttar was a small boy, slightly like he had the confidence, but he was the only boy in the kingdom. So जब should I explain it in detail?
मुझे महाभारत में इतना इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है भाई.
So the only difference was that Uttar was a small person. Uttar is a small boy who aimed for something big and who aimed to win the war. And here Anirudh is slightly elder, much more mature, and even he is there to win a war. So the similarity is there is that both are there to win a war. उसका उत्तर का war कुछ अलग था, अनिरुद्ध का war कुछ अलग है.
So but how old were you when you played in that was in 2013, right? That you played Uttar wala role. So how old?
14, yeah. So I just passed the 10th when I played Uttar. I just given my 10th board exams. So I was 15.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Or wow, so you've come a long way, huh? From then to now, of course, and things have still been very objective oriented. So ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम कोई भी role लेते हो. You have been growing very well on your chart, अगर देखा जाए. So do you select your roles or how do you just pick and choose?
I've been studying along. So for me, acting was always a hobby, and it's still a hobby. I'm studying physiotherapy. I'm a student of physiotherapy right now. So I want to take it as a profession. Yes. So I get this reaction, but any which ways. So I want to pursue acting as a career. So फिलहाल तो acting has always been कि पहले पढ़ाई कर लो. My father also always wanted me to study first, like study the first priority. तो पढ़ाई पहली priority हमेशा से रही है. So whenever I got some good role, I've been very lucky to get good roles. मतलब this is just God being kind with me to give me the proper roles at the proper time. And बाकी पढ़ाई चलती रही, तो I got good roles as it came while studying.
तो क्यों नहीं चलेगी पढ़ाई? गर्लफ्रेंड तुम्हारी है नहीं, गंदे कोई तुम्हारे में आदतें हैं नहीं, काम तुम पूरे टाइम करते हो, वो भी आजकल बंद पड़ा हुआ है, शुरू होगा तो तुम सीधा काम पे जाओगे, घर आ जाओगे, तो फिर क्यों नहीं पढ़ाई करोगे तुम? बिल्कुल करोगे, क्या बहाना क्या है ना पढ़ाई चलने का? All right.
I was born on a Saturday, so people generally who are born on a Saturday are slightly lazy. They have this thing of procrastination. So I am a procrastinator.
इसीलिए your fan says please come active.
Yes. Pooja soon. I will be active soon.
And of course, people are missing you and your show. It's good to know. I mean, I would like you to see all the messages that are coming in here so that you know really how much people are missing you.
I miss being in the show. I miss reaching the entire like pan India, pan world. I feel now that you are interviewing me from Singapore. So I miss being a part of the show. And soon we'll start shooting pretty soon. Government की clearance मिल चुकी है. अब खाली वहाँ पे जो set पर जो सारी तैयारियां करनी है ताकि हम फिर से शूटिंग कर सके. Because always safety first, health first. तो वो सारी चीजों को एक बार सब ठीक से हो जाए, then we'll start shooting pretty soon.
Perfect. तो यहाँ पे भाई तुम्हारे fans तुमसे आजकल काफी नाराज लग रहे हैं. Pravish, you have really got to catch up with your fans, हाँ? देखो, great.
नाराज नहीं, आप उन्हें शक मत दीजिए. कोई नाराज नहीं है. They just want me to be more active there, I feel.
Yeah, so they've been having your fan pages and what not, and then अब तुम जवाब नहीं दोगे तो नाराज हो जाएंगे. Hi Nisha, how are you?
Hi Nisha. I think I missed a message from Rohit. Rohit, I've read your message. Thanks a lot. I will catch up soon. I will become active.
And Rohit, मैं अपना बैंक अकाउंट नंबर दूंगी एंड में. ये सारे काम जो मैं करा रही हूँ ना उसमें क्रेडिट हो जाना चाहिए. Okay, then. Shiv Kumar is missing Barrister Babu as well.
Shiv Kumar, I'm missing everyone. I hope to reach all soon.
Oh, how sweet is that? Okay, तो यहाँ पर अब next message. My name, please उनका भी नाम लो.
Hitha. I hope I'm just pronouncing the right way. Hitha. Hi Hitha. And I know I'll be active and I will reply to all the messages. I remember.
Okay, that's perfect. So one, of course, I don't know what Hitha means, and second, tell me what is the name आपका Pravish जो नाम है, बहुत ही अलग तरीके का नाम है. इसका meaning क्या है? I'm sure many of your fans don't know the meaning. बताओ.
So you know the meaning of Pravesh?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Hey, entry, yeah, Pravesh. Come on, yeah, ये test है आज.
Two-way हो जाएगा तो मतलब even they feel entertained, like everyone feel entertained. So Pravesh means entrance, and Pravesh is a Hindi word जिसका origin is from the Sanskrit word which is pravisht.
Deep, huh? Deep. Impressed again. अच्छा चलो ये बताओ, ये प्रविष्ट एक और जो आपके फैन गर्ल है वो कह रहे हैं कि is it true that the show will take a leap? ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है क्या?
I hope it takes a leap in the TRP. I hope once we get back it takes a leap in the TRP.
Of course होगा, क्यों नहीं. देखिए कितनी अच्छी बातें लिख रहे हैं सब आपके लिए.
Thank you, Laponia Leafy. Thanks a lot.
So is Aura going to be replaced? Is that?
Why? She's cute. Why do you want her to be replaced? She's pretty cute.
बिल्कुल ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Amazingly, he's playing Vandita amazingly.
हाँ, she is. I totally agree with that. And Siddharth, तुम rumors फैला रहे हो ना. चलो भाई, ये सबके नाम ही लो तो आज यही करो. मेरा सवाल को जवाब ही मत दो, आज सबके नाम लो बैठ के बस.
Hi Shambhavi, with the emoji and 2 purple hearts.
Okay, that's really sweet. Okay, now Pooja's birthday is coming up. Can you please wish Pooja? उसका birthday 4th June को आने वाला है. So, you gotta wish.
Happy birthday, Pooja. Have a great day and an amazing year ahead. Just stay healthy and stay safe.
तुमने पूजा को हार्ट नहीं बना के दिखाया?
मैंने हार्ट बनाया था क्या? इतना जल्दी हट जाता है ना, मैं बना देता हूँ. उतना जल्दी हट जाता है कि मुझे पूरा पढ़ने ही नहीं होता.
Okay, got it. Then Rachna says she loves you a lot, and then of course more fan stuff coming up.
Thank you, fan girl. The name is Ashmita. सब लोग अपनी मम्मियों के नाम से आए हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ.
हाँ, क्योंकि
Geetha had also come. Ashmita has also come.
Yeah, I think there are 2 reasons to that. One, all the mummies are on Facebook and all the bachas are either on Snapchat or on Instagram, right? So आज सब मम्मीज के अकाउंट से आ रहे हैं because everybody knew कि Facebook live होने जा रहा है, not Insta live. So I think next we got to do Insta live to catch hold of your fans straight away. But tell me, Pravish, the reason I was showing you all those messages is कि how does it feel at this stage of life, you know, so young and so early, to have such a loads of fans and so much of so many messages and so much love coming through your way. Did you ever expect that when you were getting into acting?
Looked at all of this in this through this perspective of it. I always saw acting as go audition, make yourself good and adapt for the role, get into the character, try to do justice to the script, and that's all I looked at it as. And now I get to know that it's much more than that. It is the script, it is your character, it is your show, and then it's Instagram is a different thing, which also is a quite important part of your life, which becomes an important part of your life. और अब तो सबके साथ ही हो गया. It's not just about actors. अब तो almost everyone, for them, Instagram, Facebook, and now that social distancing है, सब घर पे हैं, तो social life is the only way of connecting with the society, and the humans are social animals. So society is important.
क्या बात है. हाँ, सच में लिंक कर दिया जल्दी से सोशल मीडिया और सोशल एनिमल का. I like that link, by the way. Archana says hi to you. And of course, you just wished Pooja her birthday, and then
happy birthday, 4 June, I remember your birthday.
Yeah, Neha, he just answered your question about when are they coming back to the shoot. Hopefully very, very soon. Okay, and then there are people waiting desperately. So चलिए थोड़ी सी शो की बात हो जाए या सो शो की बात कुछ ऐसे हो जाए. मुझे बताइए कि ये जो रोल है इसके लिए आपको क्या क्या ऐसी चीजें सीखनी पड़ी, because of course it's a different era altogether. There's different kind of clothes you're wearing, there's different kind of dialogues that you have, then एक रोल ही बिल्कुल अलग है, right? So what did you have to prepare? क्या change करना पड़ा?
Preparation was that I just need to keep myself open to suggestions from the director, from the creators, and from the writers of the show. Like from the script, basically the writers as such, they won't come in person and tell you anything, but you need to understand from the script what it's about, how you perceive the script as, how people on the set, how the director perceives the script as,
yes,
how the direction team perceives the script as, और फिर वो एक पूरा it's मतलब सबका inputs के साथ you see the inputs of various people on screen. It's not just Pravesh Mishra playing Anirudh. It's Pravesh Mishra playing Anirudh, being given various feedbacks by the director, by the creators, and a lot of efforts by many more people, which we don't get to see.
That is true. So कभी आपका ये मन किया कि अच्छा नहीं अब मैं टीवी छोड़ के I should get into OTT or I should get into the big screen or something like that, or you're quite comfortable where you are?
I want to continue acting whichever the platform is.
Deep yet again. Talia. Bantiya. What's that?
Very honestly, like acting, I feel like with the medium, maybe like the demand of the character changes, but acting is then acting. I feel that's what I feel.
That's true. अच्छा तो ये बताओ जब पहली बार, because coming from a non-filmy or a non-acting background, right? जब first time you said that okay, I want to get into acting and I'm not thinking of anything else right now. So मतलब उन्होंने parents से काफी समझाने की कोशिश करी होगी कि to get you out of it. Yeah, they were like okay.
I've been very lucky to have parents who were quite supportive. Although my father always said that, and he still says that your priority should be studies. Once you complete studying, then it's your decision what you want to do. So acting, like as a career option, acting comes with a lot of uncertainty, and well, there is quite a lot of uncertainty. Whether like today you may have something very good, there may be a day where you may not have something nice.
True.
And so ये है, and with time I feel लोगों के मन में डर भी बैठ जाता है after seeing so many good and bad examples both. So he always told me, and he's like I said, आज भी वो यही कहते हैं, like studies should be your priority and acting continue with it. Like he never stopped me from acting. So that's
तो
good.
तुम पढ़ाई में अच्छे हो क्या? ये फिजियोथेरेपी की क्लासेस में जब तुम जाते कब हो वैसे? You so busy with your 12-hour, 20-hour shifts, right? पढ़ाई कब करते हो?
I started Barrister Babu just in January. तो उसके पहले like this is my final year, so we are almost done with the portion. पढ़ाई वढ़ाई सारी हो चुकी है. अब खाली एग्जाम्स बचे हैं, after which the internship later on. But अभी फिलहाल तो खाली एग्जाम्स ही बचे हैं. और एग्जाम्स भी पोस्टपोन हो गए because of the entire lockdown and because of the entire pandemic by COVID-19. तो अभी हमारे एग्जाम्स ऑनलाइन हो रहे हैं. Like, so that all of that is getting sorted, and hopefully everything will get sorted ahead also.
And why physiotherapy? Because लोगों की हड्डियां पहले तोड़नी और फिर उसके बाद जोड़ने में मजा आता है.
So my father always wanted me to be a doctor. और तोड़ूंगा तो मैं नहीं, हाँ जोड़ूंगा जरूर, और जोड़ने के बाद रिहैबिलिटेशन जरूर करूंगा.
Okay.
And so my father wanted me to be a doctor, and well, around in the 11th or 12th, when I was in the 11th or 12th standard, तभी जैसे काफी सब जैसे डिस्कशन करते हैं कि भाई what do you think, friends sit and discuss. So a friend of mine was talking कि physiotherapy is a field like this. I didn't know much about it, so I asked him what is physiotherapy? It's the crux of physiotherapy. So I found it very interesting. So I decided to do physiotherapy, and physiotherapy I feel is the need of the hour, and it will become more important with time. So sedentary lifestyle चल रहा है आजकल लोगों का. Physiotherapy will just keep gaining importance.
Lovely. So ये YouTube के बारे में आपके लोग बहुत लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर that they are your subscribers and they love to follow you and all that. So ऐसे कौन से topics हैं that people are so excited about it? Tell us more how you choose your topics.
I generally write poems on whatever is happening in my life. Of late, अब ये जो कोरोना का समय आ गया, the entire pandemic and the entire lockdown, I've started writing a few poems जो अभी हैं. जैसे I wrote a poem on Corona, how it's changed people's lives and how the entire scenario is. I wrote a poem on that. Then there was a small thing in India, boys locker room, if you're aware about it. Delhi में कुछ, there was some Instagram chat book, some Instagram group which happened. So I wrote a poem on that. And then there was this YouTube versus TikTok war, a virtual war online. So I wrote a poem on that. So I say whichever, like whatever is happening in my life, I try to pen it down.
Oh, very nice. So apart from YouTube, you're active on Instagram, but you're saying that Instagram is only as and when. तो अपनी वो कोरोना वाली poetry हमें भी सुनाओ. Do you remember it?
So I remember it, but it's two characters talking to each other. So like abhi it won't make much sense till you see the two characters talking to each other.
Okay. What about the flute? Are we able to see you play it?
I'll just ask for it.
हाँ भाई, everybody wants to see the flute ना. मैं तो बहुत impress हो गई थी भाई. You actually wrote that बड़े time के बाद में you have played it again, right?
I like, yeah. मैं बचपन में ऐसे अभी भी छोटा ही हूँ, but when I was in the 5th or 6th तब मैंने सीखा था, and I played it for a year or two. फिर छूट गई थी आदत, but I had the flute luckily, so I played it.
Lovely. चलो हम तो I can't wait because I really was very, very pleasantly surprised when that happened. अच्छा, जब तक आपकी फ्लूट आती है तब तक थोड़े और नाम ले लो प्लीज.
Thank you, Shambhavi.
All right, guys, we do want to hear him play the flute, right? And actually, prove हो जाएगा कि इन्होंने ही बजाई थी या पीछे से म्यूजिक चल रहा है.
इसके लिए बजवा रहे हो क्या?
हाँ, आपको क्या लगा? आपको क्या लगा?
मेरा आपको पसंद आया और आप इसलिए बोल रही हो बजाने.
वो भी.
अच्छा, I'll play it. So this was I played.
मैं गाना भी समझ गई कौन सा था. तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी, राइट? वही कोशिश करी थी ना बजाने की, मैं कोई गलत. Fantastic. That was really nice. कब सीखी आपने और कहाँ सीखी ये बताओ.
स्कूल में सीखी मैंने. Like I said, स्कूल में काफी सारी co-curricular चीजें चलती रहती हैं. So this was one of them.
You know what? And when you say school में बहुत सारी extracurriculars, co-curriculars चलती हैं और उसमें you were always very active, right? So वहीं से वो वाली फोटो आई थी जिसको आज के दिन में आपने बोल दिया कि मेरी बहन है, मैं नहीं हूँ. I think मुझे अभी भी शक हो रहा है मेरी रिसर्च पे.
I won't lie. I told you मैं आपसे सच भले छुपा लूं, झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा.
हाँ, very smart. Okay, so I'm getting more and more यहाँ पर. Please say hi, Kanak Guruji. Okay, Aura's not replaced at all. I don't think there is. नहीं. And of course, क्या होने वाला है भाई बैरिस्टर बाबू में? सब लोग बिल्कुल ऐसे हुए जा रहे हैं. कुछ थोड़ी सी हिंट दोगे या बिल्कुल नहीं बता पाओगे?
नहीं, honestly I'll tell you all. अभी बॉन्दिता का जो प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था वो सब बेड वेटिंग का था, तो उस पे हम लोग we'll work on that thing.
हाँ.
So that will happen. And जो भी आगे चलता रहेगा स्टोरी में. So the thing is, once we start shooting also, काफी सारी चीजें, काफी सारी बंदिशें रहेंगी. We won't be allowed. We have to shoot with quite a few restrictions. Not many people on the set, so we won't be getting like the story will be accordingly. जहाँ पे ज्यादा लोगों की जरूरत ना पड़े. We'll like the family drama and अनिरुद्ध like अभी जो फिलहाल जो रॉय चौधरी घर में इतना जो ड्रामा क्रिएट हो चुका है. सौदामिनी आ गई है. सौदामिनी इज प्लेइंग अ गेम. अनिरुद्ध का एक है. बिनॉय जो who's playing my father, बिनॉय जी, उनका पप्पा का भी एक अलग है. काका जी, त्रिलोचन काका का भी एक अपना अलग उसमें फ्लेवर है. तो everyone's now in a fight. सबके डायनामिक्स हैं. तो घर के अंदर इतने सारे डायनामिक्स हैं, प्लस समाज के साथ भी जो अनिरुद्ध का झगड़ा है, और इस सब में फंसती, निकलती, बचती, जीतती हुई बॉन्दिता.
Wow, there's a lot going to happen, right? So I'm sure. अब अच्छा, जब आप लोगों का ये शो स्टॉप हुआ था, उस टाइम पर how many episodes had already gone in?
As far as I remember, 37 episodes.
37 were done. So now when you start, will it be sort of replaying या 38 से शुरू होगा? What's going to happen?
So I'm not very sure about this because 3 महीनों में काफी कुछ चेंज हो चुका है. लोग शायद I'm like देख के लगता तो नहीं लोग भूले हैं, but फिर भी just to catch up with the story, we may play or something of that sort may be there. I'm not sure about it, so I wouldn't comment.
Okay. So tell me something, Pravish. But before that question, please say सरगम. गा के भी सुना दो सरगम और बोल भी दो.
हाँ, नहीं पाऊंगा. I'll say सरगम. ऐसा है.
पढ़ो भाई, आप ही के लिए कर रही हूँ ये सारे. यहाँ पर there's Priyanka who has joined us from Karnataka.
Hi Priyanka. Look, you brought the entire country together. Karnataka से लोग.
Yeah, country and in fact Singapore, Asia Pacific. I've got the region together, man. कुछ तालियां तो मेरे लिए भी तुम बजा सकते थे, but नहीं.
Background music, so I'll play it.
Okay, and then of course people are wanting you to come back, and there is somebody who wants you to say.
Hi Kanak.
Oh God. Okay.
Hi sir.
All right. So, Mira, next question, and while we are talking, of course, there will be more messages coming through. कोई ऐसा रोल जो आपको लगता है कि जिस दिन आ जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा? You know, something that you really, maybe from a Bollywood movie, you watch someone, play a role, or any series which you feel अगर आपको मिल जाता तो आप better कर लेते, या you really wanted to do it? Is there anything like that?
कर लेते तो मैं कभी नहीं कहूँगा.
हाँ.
Everyone does it in a particular way, and that's the best. What's there on screen is the best which could have done. Like the director, there's a casting director, there's an entire team who has got that on the screen, so that is always the best. I would love to be a part of like in the Indian series. I saw Patal Lok, although my age is not anywhere close to any character playing Patal Lok, but I would like to be a part of some series like Patal Lok. And internationally, I just watched Money Heist. मतलब काफी लेट शुरू किया, काफी लोग इसे देख चुके थे, मैंने नहीं देखी. So I saw Money and I loved the series.
Okay. So you want to be in, again, if I understand that correct, you still want to be in something like meaningful stuff and something which is impactful and brings out a change, right?
Just like that.
Just like?
It is meaningful. It is there to bring an impact.
हाँ, बैक स्टेज हैं हमारे साथ कुछ कलर्स के लोग इस टाइम जो बार बार मतलब नंबर दिए जा रहे हैं तुमको और आगे और आगे.
I didn't know this.
I so believe you. Okay.
You should.
So when do we see you in movies? That's what Geeta is asking, or Geeta's daughter Geeta is asking. I think.
Whenever I get the opportunity, Geeta.
अच्छा, क्या बात है. And of course, there are other big fans coming in. There is Anshul who says, "Can I get an autograph?" So maybe a virtual autograph. Can you do it right here?
I think Anshul is a friend of mine.
अच्छा, ये पंगे ले रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give him a box. He's asking for autograph.
Anshul, we would like to have your autograph पंगे लेने के लिए सबसे पहले तो. That is so much fun, really. So what do you do nowadays? How are you killing time in terms of being at home? Cooking करी कुछ की नहीं करी? ये बताओ.
So I have an interest in cooking, so I've tried cooking a few things.
You have?
Yes, I've tried.
बताओ क्या बनाया?
So I knew how to make pasta, तो उसी को कुछ और modifications, कुछ और vegetables डाल के थोड़ा bake करके उसे. Then I tried to bake the garlic bread, जो stuffed garlic bread होता है वो I tried.
हाँ.
Then I learned cooking rice in a cooker. In the cooker.
Wow.
So I didn't know that. But मुझे rice आता था कि बस पानी में डाल के just keep stirring it, कुछ like काफी समय के बाद पकता था, like rice on just in a vessel takes time and the cooker happens pretty fast. So I learned that.
क्या बात है. तो चलो अब सबको सेट पे बना के खिलाने का भी काम तुम्हारा हो जाएगा after. So Anshul से हम पूछ लें whether you have a girlfriend, had or are planning to have at any point, या आप खुद बता दोगे?
I'd like to know if he dared to give the answer.
Anshul, he's actually daring you. देख लो. All right, so there's some very positive comments coming in right here, जो कि खत्म हो नहीं रहे हैं, and I don't think we'll be able to show you all by the end of this show, you know. So of course,
I would say it in a very general way, but this is not a generalized answer. This is personally to each one of you all a very big thank you, and I love you all. Thanks a lot.
Oh, that is so sweet. So आपको कभी sets पे आपके कोई fans मिलने के लिए आते हैं? Does anybody, do they ever find out where you are and they just come there and try and look at you?
It is in the film city. It's a pretty guarded place. People who are not allowed, like who are not a part of it, are not allowed. So not many people in the set.
Oh, okay. So what did you write on the boys' locker room? What is going on? आप बदमाश लगते तो नहीं हो?
What a poem on the boys' locker. I didn't write, like I wasn't a part of it. I wrote.
Okay. Okay, I totally misunderstood, but obviously I knew you better than that. मैंने कहा ऐसे लगता तो नहीं है, ये बहुत शरीफ लड़का लगता है. Okay, and then of course there are others who love writing poetry. Can they send their poetry to you somewhere that you can look at them?
Please send it.
Can't hear you.
Like, just tag me.
Okay, perfect. And then of course there are others that I'm going to continue to flash. So tell me something, Pravish. जब आप अपने school, college पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं, like for your classes currently, right? Do people know you as Pravish, you know, as Barrister Babu, and do people look at you a little different than how they would look at other, you know, students?
They look at me as a classmate who acts. That's what.
अच्छा, they don't know कि आपके इतनी लंबी fan list है, ये नहीं पता है.
The people who are fans also are just not pretty, like not very less than my friends. Although my classmates are more of my friends, I know them personally, I meet them personally, so they hold a more special place in my heart. Know that you all don't. The people who are commenting here, who are there on Instagram, you all hold a different corner of my heart. That entire part is for you all. So like talking about the college people, my classmates, for them it's pretty normal. ऐसा कोई मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि अरे कोई celebrity कुछ नहीं.
ओके। यहाँ पर इनफैक्ट आरती जो हमारी रेगुलर लिस्नर है, इन्होंने आपके लिए रिक्वेस्ट करी थी कलर्स टीवी को, एंड शी वाज वेरी हैप्पी। ये सिंगापुर में ही रहती हैं।
लॉट आरती, सिंगापुर में कैसा है? हाउ इज द कोविड, हाउ इज द पैंडेमिक?
Today is in fact the first day that we've just opened up under phase 1, and we never called it a lockdown. We called it circuit breaker. So basically, सब कुछ कभी भी बंद नहीं हुआ था. We had the traffic, the the public transport going on. We had the essential services going on. So people like us, for example, didn't have a single day off. We were coming to the studio and we were sort of hosting the shows and continuing to do things as they were. लेकिन आज से पहला फेज खुला है और people have started going back to work, a lot of them, not everybody still, but धीरे धीरे फेज 3 phases में खुलने वाला है सिंगापुर, इस तरह की that's what we hear. So numbers have definitely come down, but zero तो नहीं हुआ अभी.
Also like in the entire circuit breaker thing also coming to the office and entertaining people, so
absolutely हम लोग भी फ्रंट लाइनर्स हैं आपके अलावा. No, but seriously, it's such a pleasure talking to you, Pravish. You are such a down-to-earth person. Yeah, how do you maintain that? Because seriously, मैं जितने भी आपसे पंगे ले लूं, but I can see that you're a very genuine human being. So what's your mantra?
I feel like it's the people around you, it's your family. I don't know, it's very organic, I feel, but it just happens. Just be honest to yourself. Like I told you, I prefer not lying. I will always hide the truth. I would try that if I feel I need to guard a few things of mine. But I generally don't lie, and be honest to yourself. That's what I feel like. Just, if not to anyone else, at least to yourself. Everyone should be honest with themselves. It makes life pretty easy.
Oh yes, it certainly does. And I think that's a fantastic way to lead your life. So thank you. I really want to thank you for your time today, Pravish. It's been just awesome talking to you.
So, Renuka, there's one problem. Like, I spoke to you for around 45 minutes. You may think कि काफी बोलता है, but still, I don't know how to talk. I don't know how to communicate my feelings that well. So I won't be able to communicate how good I feel after this conversation. I wouldn't call it an interview. It was more of a conversation. And I love this conversation. And I hope to have few more conversations with you pretty soon.
वाह वाह वाह, क्या बात है. ठीक है, मुझसे अपॉइंटमेंट ले लेना तुम.
How should I reach you?
How will you reach me? मैं मतलब अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं भी तुमसे तुम्हारा ऑटोग्राफ ले ही लूं. अब now you are really blushing. मैं blush कर रही हूँ. But हाँ, just shout out. My phone number is with the Colors TV people, and I'm waiting for you to come to Singapore, by the way, because तुम रोम चले गए और हमारा रोम गुस्से में हो गया कि तुम रोम चले गए, तुम सिंगापुर कैसे नहीं आए. ऐसा कैसे कहा तुमने, बताओ.
पहले गया था रूम इटली में है. I didn't get the virus. I wasn't a part of this.
Thank God for that.
Yeah, so and I thank God that I went in the time that the pandemic had not yet been there. So I went to Rome a few months before all of this started. So yes, I went to Rome and I hope I soon come to Singapore as well.
अच्छा, और रोम में कोई इटालियन लड़की भी पसंद नहीं आई? मतलब seriously, I'm trying my luck third time now.
लड़कियां वहाँ बहुत थी, and Italian wine and Italian girls pretty what? Like I could taste the wine, pretty good.
अच्छा, good बोलते टाइम थोड़ा सा blush क्यों कर रहे हो? खुल के बोलो, they are pretty good.
Pretty good, beautiful.
Are you saying they're better than the Indian girls?
Not at all.
नहीं ना? Okay. यहाँ ठीक है, यहाँ full marks मेरी तरफ से भी मिल गए तुमको. Perfect. So, well, just to let your fans know, guys, this session is going to be there. It is there on our Facebook Live of Radio Masti 24/7, and at the same time on Colors TV Asia Pacific. दोनों जगह पर live रहेगा. हम save करके रहेंगे. आप चाहो तो हम प्रविष्ट को भी यहाँ पर सेव कर लेते हैं, लेकिन उनको शूटिंग के लिए तो भेजना पड़ेगा ना कभी ना कभी, नहीं तो आएंगे कैसे?
आप आएंगे फिर से.
Exactly. इसीलिए भेज रहे हैं, नहीं तो हम पकड़ के रह जाते. ठीक है. So yes, I got your point totally. I'm going to be saving, and please जाने से पहले प्रविष्ट, if you can tell your fans? When are you going to go live on your Insta next?
So when you calling me, Renuka? Next time.
Anytime. This time you can interview me. और मैं बताऊं, मेरा नाम गूगल करोगे तो सारी बातें गलत नहीं निकलेंगी, तुम्हारी तो आधी गलत निकली है, मुझे इतनी टेंशन हो रही है।
This has been a good platform. Let's get it corrected from this platform.
हाँ ठीक है, perfect.
Yes.
All right. Do you speak Spanish, by the way, before you go?
I don't speak Spanish.
नहीं, भाई साहब
So
इटली
I saw Money Heist in English. Like I saw it in English. I didn't see it in Spanish. Although I tried to tune in a few parts in Spanish just to understand how these characters actually sound.
Okay. वैसे भी रोम गए थे, रोम इटली में है, स्पेनिश क्यों बोल रहे हो? Okay, so on that note, do check out your DMs and thank you so much, Pravish, for being with us this evening.
Thanks for Renuka, and I hope I've like not as much as yours, but I've just come a bit closer to your energy, and and I've like it's been a pleasure to like be in this conversation, be a part of this conversation.
Thank you so much. Take lots of care and wish you the best always. Stay safe, okay?
You too, and like again a salute to you all that you all were working during this entire circuit breaker thing in Singapore as well. And let's all hope and pray that the entire world comes above Corona and this entire pandemic.
That's the best message, seriously. And I'll go to your channel and listen to your Corona poem for sure. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
See you soon, Barrister Babu.